It can be a very special moment for one of these teams at the end of this match for the NXT UK tag titles. Byron, what have the challengers told you about this opportunity?
Well, listen, they weren't embarrassed to admit that they've got some butterflies. The chance to become the NXT UK Tag Team Champions will do that to you. But I fully expect those nerves to get settled early in this match.
German suplex. Reversal. What a counter. Byron, how does this matchup require a different mindset?
A superstar must be prepared to go all out. Be as aggressive and vicious as possible.
Remember, it's no disqualification. The superstars can do whatever they want, but it can only end with a 3 count or a tap out.
Hooked up. Boom. Producing a trampling.
Oh, man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Hits him with the counter. Oh, an overhand punch. Look at this, going counter for counter.
Just mounted with punches. And not
finds a counter for the dead man.
Each competitor showing they've done their homework.
He's looking a little off balance.
He's been knocked around quite a bit, Cole. He's got to get on the offense for the sake of him and his partner.
Just breaking down the opponent.
Jeez. Now Kane's leaking.
ooh, sharp elbow.
Just launched.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches. Oh, look at it, torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't gonna be good. Oh, man. Kane turns it around. Gotta find a way to get out of this.
A counter answered by another counter.
Just mounted with punches. And not,
He can end it here. Oh, the pin off with a rope break. How's that for a counter? Big boot.
incredible.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already. Oof. Good contact.
Left by the turnbuckles. Punch lands. Leaving himself open here.
Yeah, guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be right now.
Closed fist connects. Whatever's playing here can't be good. Boom, impact. Boom, right in the button. Great wherewithal on the counter. Knew what was coming there. Bulldog.
Delivered with force.
Able to reverse.
Punch right in the head.
Fez press. Fez press. Fez press.
Oh, it's raking the back.
Headbutt. 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 Headbutt.
The Viper shows his instinct.
No, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
What a shot.
He's on the ropes and the ref wisely stops the count. Vintage edge.
This could be it.
Cover for the win.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Nice running crossbody.
Undertaker moves just in time.
Look at the look. He's going for the pin. This could be it. He's starting to struggle here.
A tag match like this is a test of endurance in every aspect of the word.
Oh, and a kick out. Kicked out. He kicked out.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, look at it. Torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Ooh. Big punch to the body.
Emphatic statement from the Viper.
Driven down with a jackhammer.
Both competitors digging into wells that didn't even know existed.
And he was ready for Orton. Makes him pay with a counter. Big impact off the leg drop. This has become a monumental struggle for these competitors.
It is down to who's still...
Alley-oop. Kane sent flying to the outside.
Punch right in the head.
Yes, press.
Kane prevents the attack from connecting. face buster. Going right after the neck.
Punch connects. Reigns is finally showing some mercy, prepared to put the Undertaker out of his misery. Hooked up.
DDT.
Flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first.
Oof, nails the midsection.
No, my God. Oh, that'll break his arm. Vicious.
Look at this, going right after the left arm.
Gotta hurt. Shoulder right to the midsection.
Just ruthless.
And he'll come back from under the apron.
Down with the Bulldog.
Oh man, Roman Reigns is busted up.
Swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
He's getting a huge... All the way up and down.
Choke slam straight to hell. Edge in serious jeopardy.
No, he beats the count.
Well, we all know Edge has a predisposition for not giving up. This case was no different.
And don't think that outcome is going to change Kane's approach. He's as hell-bent as ever.
Trampling the opposition.
Vicious right forearm.
In the face.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Oh, the claw! There's the claw! This could be it!
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Tap, tap, tap. He taps out. What a knockout punch. Oh, man. Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
Here he goes for the win. Oh, kick right to the gut. Another one.
You got a question. How much is it worth? How much is it worth to continue through? Randy Orton. There it is. This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a wrap.
For the pin. Edge on the receiving end.
Big time clothesline. Good grief. I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up. Kane keeps him away.
Bad predicament right here.
Edge with the alertness there.
Uh-oh. Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. This building is rocking right now.
Can you blame him?
Continuing to attack the neck. Across the top rope.
Face crusher. Oh, drop.
Big time clothesline. Good grief.
Boom. He got whipped into that. No, brass knuckle.
If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
Uh-oh. Elbow drop.
Oh, right to the...
Does he have him here?
Uh-oh. Perched up top. Dangerous situation, guys.
This lands, it is all over.
Oh, from the second rope, up under the shoulder. The avalanche AA.
One of the best to ever do that move.
Two. That'll end Edge's night. He's eliminated. He's certainly lining him up, but he's wasting too much time.
Dishing out a suplex. Kick lands. Big punch finds its mark. Powerful fall-away slam.
Under the ropes now. What a reversal by Reigns.
DDT.
Hanging back with their own counter. Uh-oh, forearm's gonna cut off the wind. It's just a matter of time now. The guillotine is locked. It's a very, very difficult submission to escape, but he did it.
Answers back on Orton.
Uh-oh, we're gonna see it. Choke slam. Lands an elbow. Sharp punch.
Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent. Oh, it's raking the back.
A nice shot by the Undertaker.
One of the best strikers in the business.
Setting him up for the flatliner.
Just stomping every single part of his body.
Turning the tables. In. He thinks he has it.
I like this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
I don't either. Can this ref even count the 3?
Reversal. Can he take advantage? Saw that one coming.
Here it comes. Special delivery. Attitude adjustment. May have just vanquished Reigns.
How in the world? Thought he had it.
You gotta be kidding me. Just mounted with punches and not, oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Spinning. Sit out. Powerbomb.
Ooh, body shot.
And responds with a counter of their own, reciprocating the initial reversal. These two showing how well scouted they each are.
Reigns gets out of harm's way. Nice hip toss. Here it comes. Boom!
Lining up Reigns, opportunities like this rarely open up.
Here it comes. Special delivery. The attitude adjustment.
Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over.
Ouch. And now look at the Undertaker's face.
Eliminated.
I like this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Watch the quickness on this. Bang! Snap suplex. Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches.
This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Undertaker needs to head this assault off at the pass.
Taker needs to rise again.
Ooh, and a big uppercut. What's he gonna do here? Oh, that hurt. Crippling attack on the knee. This isn't the smartest thing to do, antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Leg drop!
Oh, ouch!
Catches the leg.
Catches a punch.
Undertaker retaliates. What a punch!
Hoisted up. Snap suplex.
Oh, foot just stomping down.
We'll slide back in the ring now. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
The Vipers lined up his prey. This one has to be over.
For the win! 2!
Got it. They outlasted every other team in this match.
Here are your winners, the Superstar and the Viper, Randy Orton.
A victory worthy of a new champion.
Talk about history in the making. This is literally one for the history books. And we got to witness it up close and personal.
Stop making this about you, Saxton. This is about the new champ.